we headed, Marsh?
Headed to Galway.
Here we go. Okay, we are on the train and headed to Galway. We are in Galway. We are at the Kinlay Hostel. We've got a private room. I think it was like 75 bucks a night. Not too bad for Ireland. Little storage right there. 2 bunk beds for our kids, you know. And double bed. Nice TV. Little bathroom going on here. Let's see. Oh. Little shower action, nothing special, but she'll do. She will do. I think we're gonna sleep up here instead of the bed. What is it about bunk beds that's just so freaking fun?
No, I love bunk beds.
Marsh is having a hard time motivating, and honestly, I'm sleepy too. We woke up early this morning for the train and the doggos.
This bunk bed, I got up here just like for fun, but the bed is actually so comfy that now I'm just like, I hit this like comfortable position. I got my leg like wedged against the wall and it's all nice and cool. I'm just like...
The only problem is that I'm very hungry. If I wasn't hungry, I'd probably fall asleep right now. About to go get some lunch and show you guys go around Galway. Let's go. We're at McDonogh's seafood restaurant. Eating some fish and chips, some tartar and some garlic sauce. How's the chips so far?
Good, they're crispy. They don't really look like they're not golden, but they're very crispy and it all looks very, very good.
Yeah, that was really, really good. Highly recommend.
So at Murphy's Creamery, it's Dingle styled ice cream. They've got some bunch of handmade ice creams in there. And we went in, got ourselves a couple of cups, a whole bunch of different flavors. I got like 4 flavors in mine. They're known for their Dingle sea salt, which they take Atlantic Ocean water, boil off the water, and they're left with the sea salt. And they mix it in with ice cream, and it's my favorite. It's super delicious. It sounds kind of weird, but it's amazing.
It's very good. My favorite is also the sea salt and then the chocolate whiskey right here too. Oh, so good. Okay, we walked onto the waterfront here in Galway. It is very windy today, as you may be able to see. But we're just enjoying the sea breeze and the smell of the ocean. It's really beautiful here. We love it. Okay, we were just here on the beach, and I was telling Marshall that this looks a lot like Iceland, and I was remembering that there's lots of sea glass in Iceland on the beach, and look what we found. Marsh, let me see yours. Oh my god, so cool.
My favorite is the ruby red one, I think.
I love the ruby red. Look at that. Collecting this for a future Irish house. We're back at our hostel. Although, honestly, I'm calling it a hotel. Feels like a hotel.
Mm-hmm.
We're just chilling. We just walked like 5 miles around Galway. And we got some delicious ice cream, some delicious fish and chips. And I think tonight we're gonna go listen to some live music, but probably be back early because we are going to the Aran Islands tomorrow. Hey Mel, what are we doing? How's it going?
It's going good. We're at the Dale Bar. It's spelled D-A-I-L. And the D is literally the Guinness Harp. So, got another pint of Guinness. Checking out the vibes here. There's a little fireplace over here, so we're in keeping warm.
And I tried another cider here in Ireland called, it was the Rockshore Barf. But the Bulmers, the bartender recommended it to me. It's actually made in the city where my family is from, Tipperary, and it is really good. Not very sweet, just like perfect, super crisp and refreshing. Like, new fave drink.
Okay, so we're at the King's Head. This was the first one we saw, and what caught our attention was the date, and it was like 16. So that was from like 1620 something. And we were just laughing because there's a banner right behind the stage. They play a lot of live music here, but there's a banner behind the stage that says the King's Head, Galway, and it says Irish Pub of the Year, 1651. That's just the stuff that. The time scale here versus the States is just, it's funny to me. Back home, you'll see like Pub of the Year 2003, Pub of the Year 1998. You never see Pub of the Year 1651. Like, it doesn't exist. So it's right there.
And we're drinking two more of our favorites, a Bulmers and a Guinness, of course.
The live music seems like it's going to be awesome here. There's a second deck full of like seating that looks down at the stage. So yeah, it'd be pretty cool. I like the atmosphere in here a lot.